Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax with the 1.4 liter EcoTec motor. So we're going to go over how you would replace your oxygen sensors. First we will start with the upper oxygen sensor and then we will do the bottom oxygen sensor. So we have the connection for the oxygen sensor, which comes up here for the upper one. And so we'll have to undo this connector and then we follow that down and we'll find our oxygen sensor down here. So we'll start with, this has a double lock tab, so we need to press the red tab back and then we'll be able to depress the connector there to unconnect it. And then just pop that off. And so that is the connector undone. So we're going to see the oxygen sensor right down there. And so we try to get our 22 millimeter wrench on there and see if we can get it undone that way. It also might be just as easier to go from it under. Okay. With the wrench on, we want to turn that counterclockwise. Okay, so we got it to come undone. And then we just spin it out and we're able to remove our oxygen sensor. This is the upper oxygen sensor, or the Upstream. So we were able to do it from up top, but it might be just as there isn't a lot of space. You could do it from down below also, as long as you remove the splash shield. It gives you the space you would need to do that. However, you would take your new oxygen sensor and just be able to guide it down in there. Hand tighten it up as far as you can. And then we'll be able to get our wrench on it. And then we just have to run the electric connector over to here, connect it back up. Make sure you do the lock there, and then get that snapped in there. And so that's how you would replace your upstream oxygen sensor. And the downstream one is fairly similar, but we will also do that one. A lot of times it's very good practice to replace them both at the same time. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.